Understanding, as short as a sneeze, a dive into English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, as short as a sneeze. This idiom might sound a bit funny at first, but it's packed with meaning and is a great example of how colorful and expressive the English language can be. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, as short as a sneeze, is used to describe something that happens very quickly or lasts for a very brief period of time. A sneeze, as you know, is a sudden, involuntary expulsion of air from the nose and mouth. It happens so fast, you barely have time to react. Similarly, when we say something is as short as a sneeze, we mean it's over almost the moment it begins. Now, let's look at some examples to better understand how to use this idiom. 1. In conversation about time, the meeting was as short as a sneeze. We barely sat down before it was over. 2. Describing events. The concert felt as short as a sneeze. I couldn't believe it ended so quickly after it started. 3. Talking about experiences. My vacation was as short as a sneeze. I wish I had more time to relax and explore. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting perfectly into conversations about time, events, and personal experiences. Idioms like, as short as a sneeze, enrich the English language, adding color and depth to our conversations. They allow speakers to express complex ideas and emotions in a few words, making communication more efficient and engaging. Learning idioms can also give you insight into the culture and humor of English-speaking countries, as many idioms have historical or cultural references. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the idiom, as short as a sneeze. Idioms are a vital part of learning English, and understanding them can significantly enhance your fluency and conversational skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, so take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!